Hi everyone, I'm Will and this is my playground. I'm going to be making a chive. This is a bit like a Chinese chive. This is not the little chive that you will get from the herb sessions. It's very long with chicken stir fry. So a little bit of chili sauce in there. Fresh chilies in there. It comes together very quickly. I'm heating up the wok right here. Just gonna have a little bit of oil. And once it warms up, it's only at medium heat. We're gonna have some chicken thigh here and going to have the skin side down, which is gonna render the fat a little bit more before we cut them into bite sizes. So while I'm just gonna gently lower it here. Nice sizzle. These chives, they grow in water and dirt, so you really want to clean the right here in between the leaves. So you can have a bucket of water and shook it like this, or rinse it under the running water. And all you have to do is cut it about 2 inches long, like this. And they're good to go. Just put it aside for now. You don't really need any other type of alliums like garlic or onion. Chive provides so much flavor in there. And for the chili, I'm using California chili. It's got some heat, but it doesn't like burn off your tongue. And you can just do like little slices like so. They add really nice flavor and also adds gentle heat to the whole dish, so it's not just overwhelmed by the chive. I find that if you have heartburn, you might want to stay away from chive a little bit. It does give me heartburn sometimes, so I try to have it way before bed. When the skin is nice, a little bit golden, you can take them off. Don't need them to be fully cooked. And this is a good time to just kind of cut them into a bite size, like so. They've been all cut up to bite size. We can now stir frying again with everything together. Let's wash our hands first. So we're going to have the very hot wok here. The chicken just simply goes back in. You can skip the first step, just cut them into bite size if you like. You can remove the skin. I mainly do it because I want a little bit more chicken fat render from the skin and give it a little crisp. But completely okay to skip it. You can also use chicken breast as well. Whatever to your heart's liking. While the chicken's doing stain, gonna have a little bit of rice wine just off the edge as well. It also helps to deglaze the wok, if they're getting a little bits from frying the chicken earlier. Now it's ready to let the chive go in. The chive cooks really quickly. You can tell they're done once they turn really emerald green and soften. And when the chive is just about done, I'm gonna spread a little bit in the middle and then fry up this chili pepper. The chive is now emerald green. Everything is coming together nicely. We're ready to plate. Let's pick it up and see. I love making stir fries with chicken thigh. If you're just learning how to cook, it's a great cut of the meat that just doesn't really get tough that easily and brings a lot of flavor as well. Spread around a little bit. Yeah. So this is a chive stir fry with chicken thigh. Let's have a little taste. A little bit of chive, a little chili pepper, and a nice piece of meat. The chive is so fragrant. The chili brings a little bit of heat, so just not a single note. And cannot go wrong with nice tender chicken thigh. I hope that you will give this a try. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.